Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Guys, do you also face really long export times in Topaz whenever you try to enhance the quality of your edits? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you some of the best Topaz settings for low-end systems that can help reduce export time while still giving you good 4K quality, just like this. Open Topaz AI and import the clip you want to enhance, just like I'm doing here. As you can see, you can check all the details of your clip on the left side. Now, to reduce the export time in Topaz AI, make sure you're working with a 1080p clip. I don't recommend using 2x upscaling if you have a low-end system, because it puts a lot more load on your GPU and RAM and can take hours to export. If you have a powerful system, you can use 2x upscaling, but for low-end systems, I recommend keeping it at 1080p. Also, keep the FPS at 60, just like I'm doing here. Below that, leave the other options turned off and enable only the enhancement option. For video type, select Progressive, then choose the Proteus Fine Tune AI model and change the parameters from auto to manual. Now, simply follow my settings shown on the screen. For the export settings, use the same settings I'm showing here to get the best quality possible without putting too much load on your system. Now let's check the preview. As you can see, the preview is processing much faster, while the clip looks cleaner, smoother, and sharper, with most of the noise removed. Once everything looks good, export your clip from Topaz. After that, open After Effects and import your enhanced clip into the timeline. Create an adjustment layer, then apply my newly launched Bright Glow 4K quality to it. It's available on my website, and you can find the link in the description. As you can see, the final clip looks much sharper and more polished now. After that, simply export your edit. I personally use QuickTime when I want to export in high quality. And that's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. Till then, bye.